Did you know that the average stock market return over the long term is about 7% per year, but some trading strategies can yield returns well above that, sometimes exceeding 20%? When it comes to trading, having a solid strategy is crucial to success. It's what sets apart the profitable traders from the ones who struggle to break even. A good trading strategy helps you make informed decisions, manage risk, and stay disciplined in the markets. Without one, you're basically navigating a ship without a compass, and that's a recipe for disaster. In the world of trading, there are countless strategies available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The key is to find the one that works best for you and your trading style. But here's the thing. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to follow. That's why it's essential to understand the different types of strategies and how they can benefit your trading journey. Having a trading strategy is not just about making money. It's about having a clear framework for your trading decisions. It helps you avoid impulsive decisions based on emotions and instead makes you focus on the logical analysis of the market data. By doing so, you'll be able to adapt to changing market conditions and make better informed investment choices. Moving on to the challenges traders face, one of the most significant hurdles is emotional decision-making. When you're trading with emotions, you're more likely to make impulsive decisions that can lead to significant losses. Fear and greed are two of the most common emotions that can cloud your judgment, causing you to deviate from your strategy. Another challenge traders face is the lack of discipline. Without a clear strategy, it's easy to get distracted by market noise and deviate from your original plan. This can lead to a string of losses, which can be demotivating and affect your overall performance. The abundance of strategies available can also be overwhelming. With so many options to choose from, it's easy to get caught up in analysis paralysis, never actually taking action. This is why it's essential to find a strategy that resonates with you and stick to it. Additionally, many traders struggle with patience. Trading is a game of probability, and even the best strategies can experience a string of losses. It's crucial to have realistic expectations and understand that profits don't come overnight. Traders also struggle with adaptability. Markets are constantly changing, and what works today may not work tomorrow. It's essential to stay flexible and adjust your strategy according to the market conditions. Another challenge is the lack of backtesting. Backtesting is critical in verifying the effectiveness of a strategy, but many traders skip this step or don't do it correctly. This can lead to a false sense of security, only to be surprised when the strategy fails in live markets. Traders also struggle with trading psychology. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of trading, but it's essential to maintain a level head and avoid emotional decisions. Finally, many traders struggle with risk management. Without a proper understanding of risk management, a single bad trade can wipe out your entire account. Now, let's talk about the trading strategy I've found. This strategy is based on a combination of technical and fundamental analysis, using a unique combination of indicators to identify high-probability trades. The strategy involves a combination of moving averages, MACD, and volume analysis to identify trend reversals and continuations. By combining these indicators, you can identify high-probability trades with a high degree of accuracy. One of the key components of this strategy is the use of a proprietary indicator that I've developed. This indicator is designed to identify trend reversals and continuations, giving you a clear edge in the markets. What sets this strategy apart is its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. By adjusting the parameters of the indicators, you can fine-tune the strategy to suit different market environments. I'd like to share with you a personal story about how I stumbled upon this strategy. I was going through a tough period in my trading journey, experiencing a string of losses. I was frustrated and demotivated, feeling like I was stuck in a rut. But then, I had an aha moment. I realized that I was overcomplicating things, trying to fit too many indicators into my strategy. I simplified my approach, focusing on a few key indicators, and that's when everything changed. The results were astonishing. I started to experience a string of profits, and my confidence grew. I realized that the key to success wasn't about using 100 different indicators, but about finding a few that worked in harmony. One of the most significant benefits of this strategy is its flexibility. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or position trader, this strategy can be adapted to suit your trading style. Another benefit is its simplicity. Once you understand the indicators and how they work together, you can implement the strategy with ease. I've also found that this strategy is highly scalable. Whether you're trading with a small account or a large one, the strategy can be adapted to suit your needs. The key insight that led me to discover this strategy was the realization that simplicity is key. By focusing on a few key indicators, I was able to tap into the underlying dynamics of the market, identifying high-probability trades with ease. In conclusion, this trading strategy is a game changer. It's a simple, yet powerful approach that can help you achieve consistent profits in the markets. To recap, we've discussed the importance of having a trading strategy, the challenges traders face, and the specifics of the strategy I've found. Remember, the key to success lies in finding a strategy that resonates with you and sticking to it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with trading strategies in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more trading tips and strategies.